Hello, I'm Nikolaos from Chefs with Benefits. Today I will show you how to make my take on the Greek moussaka. I love doing this dish and I enjoy doing it in the oven, not frying anything. Nice, easy and relatively fast. It's not that hard to do, it just needs a little bit of technique that I'm gonna show you. So you will not have anything to worry about. So we begin with our ingredients that you will find down to the description. Minced beef, olive oil, onions, carrots, leeks, celery, garlic, tomato paste, tinned tomato, chicken or veg stock, mixed dried herbs, cinnamon, allspice, potato, aubergines, courgettes, plain flour, butter, cheese of your liking, egg and nutmeg. So I begin with the searing of the meat. I want it to be nice seared and broken down before I introduced my veggies. I'm gonna cut the mirepoix, the onions, the carrots, the celery and the leeks in nice small pieces. I enjoy adding a little bit of chili in the mince because I like a little bit the nice heat, a nice kick in the sauce. You don't have to do that though, if you don't like it hot. We continue with the tomato paste, the tinned tomatoes, the veg stock, the dried herbs and the spices except of the nutmeg. We continue then by cutting the potatoes peeled. Use normal potatoes, I had these laying around so I used them. Add some butter, olive oil, salt, pepper and dried herbs, a little bit of water, give it a mix and put in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Continue by cutting the aubergines and the courgettes. Put the aubergines in some water with lemon and leave them aside so they don't get brown until the potatoes are ready. When they are nice and softened, put on top the aubergines with a little bit of salt, pepper, olive oil and a little bit of dried herbs. Up 20 minutes in the oven and then we continue with the courgettes. Again the same drill, salt, pepper, olive oil, herbs and in the oven for 20 minutes. We continue with the white sauce. We are making a roux with the flour and the butter over medium-low heat. When the flour is ready, we add the cold milk inside. The cold milk with the hot roux is gonna make no lumps, I guarantee that. So you continue mixing the meat sauce as well. We want it to have way less liquid. When the white sauce start bubbling, it means that it's ready. We turn off the heat and we add the nutmeg, the pepper, a little bit of salt, and basically that's a bechamel. Because I'm using a Monray sauce, I'm gonna add the cheese. Here I'm using some cheddar. I'm gonna add an egg and we stir everything together. The egg is gonna be cooked now, but we need to be fast. Give it a taste for seasoning and adjust the flavors based on your likings. Laying on the meat and the white sauce, we put it back in the oven for 20 minutes or until it has a nice golden color on top. We leave it to cool down because the sauces are gonna be quite liquid. It's not gonna be coming out as a nice piece. And believe it or not, we are ready. We have a nice moussaka. I hope that you like this video. You're gonna give it a try. Give the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, this was Chefs with Benefits.